jumpers. Here. One. Alrighty, let's see here. One more right there. A lot of screws in that plastic. Holy crap. Freaking Chinese junk. Oh boy. A lot of ways this could have been made a lot easier. Oh boy. Okay, so say, you only want to bring those screws down till they touch, and nothing tighter. See, I got a few screws left over here because some of these screws around this cover is just broke. You can't do nothing with them. So we got a few extra of those screws left over. Double check, make sure I got them all in here where they belong. Looks like we're all closed. Okay, like I say, this thing's got a heater too, and we're gonna not run the heater. We'll leave the heater off. But we're gonna put the wire there back on. And we're gonna a heat thermocouple sensor. We're not gonna use that either. We're just gonna plug in the sonic device. And that's all. And we're just going to close her up. Yep, we're just going to close her up. Boy, can't believe they're not using this either anymore, so we're just going to leave that wire hang. Gotta get these things lined up with those friggin' little pegs down underneath there. Well, that's causing me trouble here. I've got to get that out of the way. I'll slip that up in there. Okay. This is okay. All right. Alrighty. Now we got these bigger ones. Okay. We'll start dropping those in. I hope I didn't drop. Dropped two in that center. I think I did. I don't know. Alright. Down. If anybody's ever worked with plastic long enough, you know that you always back up your screwdriver until it clicks, and then you know you're in the plastic. You'll know you're in the threads, so you don't go cross threading your screws. Okay. The extra screws. Alright, the big test. The double test. have it plugged into a ground. I don't know if they'll vibrate these screws or not. Oh yeah. Well, I guess it doesn't really vibrate them a lot. Not the screws. Let me see here. Oh, what can I put in there? Let's see here. How about a button? It's too. Let's see. It's gotta be. I know they put liquid in this. Oh, you can hear it, you can feel it vibrate. I just don't have nothing light enough to drop in there to make it work. Let me take a slice of that off of there. What can I use? Let's see if that works. Freaking foam, that didn't work. Oh well. I can feel it vibrating when it's working, so I know it's working. I just can't find something to show you what is working and what is not working to make it wiggle. There's little pieces of dirt in there that's wiggling around. You just let me try something else here. Let me try a little. Let me cut some little thin copper wires. I don't know if they'll even show up in the camera or not. Yeah. They're jiggling. They're jiggling.
My baby boy.
I hope that showed.
That coochie boy.
Yep, that coochie. Okay, that's the end of that. Bye.